Hello everyone, in this video we'll be showing you how to play Pokémon TCG Pocket on PC. So go ahead and open your browser and we're going to search for BlueStacks. Now when we search for BlueStacks, we'll be having these options right here. Now you can see the icon and you can see www.bluestacks.com. We're going to click on it. So right away we're going to click on download BlueStacks. After downloading BlueStacks, you're going to have something like this. Now under the folder System Apps, you're going to click on the folder to open it. Then you're going to go over to the Play Store. Now you will need to log into your Google Play Store with your email address. We've already done that, but if you haven't done it already, you will be prompted to do that. We're going to click on Play Store. Then right here in the Play Store, we're going to search for Pokémon TCG Pocket. And right away, you can see the first option here, Pokémon TCG Pocket. And here you can see it's already installed, but when you click on it, you will see the option to download it on your PC. Now we've already downloaded it, so we can see the play option or uninstall. Now after you've downloaded it, in your home page, you will see the Pokémon TCG app right here. All you need to do is to click on it to play it. And right away, you can see your Pokémon TCG Pocket on PC. If this video was helpful, go ahead and click on the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos.